Hi, this is Apple with Apple Dude1221. I'm back with a DVD review, and let me tell you, this is from one of the shows I used to watch ever since I was a little kid. Yes, this is the first time in history of Apple Dude1221 Productions you get a video like this. Now, this is Baron Beck with House of Shapes, Sounds, and Colors. I'll show you the disc, and then we'll see what happens when we show you what's inside the disc. And we'll switch to the computer now. Alrighty, so just after inserting this disc, you're greeted with those options. So there's continuous play, play all, scene selection. There's 3 episodes. The bonus features. Those are the songs on there. We can register the DVD. Main menu. Setup. The audio options. You can have it in English or Spanish. We're going to keep it in English. The captions. English. I think I know what's coming next. Unfortunately, we won't be able to do the theme song or the goodbye song because it's copyright blocked. But I think I know what we can do. We'll do a selection of songs just to make things fair for you guys. So the first.
Even you and me.
Perfect.
What I see with my eyes is a world of different sizes. Each thing has its own special shape. Could be round like a melon, could be square, there's no telling. It could even be oval like a grape. Me, I'm the shape of a bear. From the tips of my paws to the fuzz of my hair. Not a circle, a squiggle, or a square. Me, I'm just the shape of a bear. Me, I'm just the shape of a bear. Me, I'm just the shape of a bear. A ship can be ship-shape, a water drop is drip-shape. There's shapes for everything I see. Ice cream's a cone shape, and you have your own shape, and that's just a great shape to be. Me, I'm the shape of a bear. From the tips of my paws to the fuzz of my hair. Not a circle, a squiggle, or a square. Me, I'm just the shape of a bear. Me, I'm just the shape of a bear. Me, I'm just the shape of a bear.
We didn't get that.
What I see with my eyes is 2 bears of different sizes. One of them is me and one is you. You're bigger and you're taller,
And you're a little smaller.
but I'm still a bear shape too. Me, I'm the shape of a bear. From the tips of my paws to the fuzz of my hair. Not a circle
A squiggle
or a square. We are both the shape of a bear. We are both the shape of a bear. We are both the shape of a bear.
You're not shaped like a rhino,
And you're not a porcupine,
You are not a gorilla.
no, not me. I'm not shaped like a tomato,
And I'm no couch potato.
but a bear is a great shape to be. We are the shape of a bear. From the tips of our paws to the fuzz of our hair. Not a circle, a squiggle, or a square. We are both the shape of a bear. We are both the shape of a bear. We are both the shape of a bear.
Yes! What's in the mail today? 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 Is it a picture that my grandpa drew of grandma dancing with a kangaroo? It could be a cookie recipe from my aunt who says she thinks the world of me. Is it a story from a magazine about a monkey and a submarine? I would laugh to see a photograph of my good friend jumping rope with a giraffe. What's in the mail today? What's in the mail today? It will be fun to send a letter back. Ooh, yeah. It makes me smile to think my friends will say, I wonder what's in the mail today. What's in the mail today? What's in the mail today? I wonder what's in the mail today? see you all around. My house is big and blue, and my head is big and brown. You're red just like a cherry, or you're green just like a tree. And those are some of the colors I see. There's so many of them though. Colors of colors, you paint the world so bright. You lighten up my day, then you fade away at night. You make an orange orange, you draw rings around a bee. And those are some of the colors I see. Colors, oh colors, the strangest thing of all. In summer leaves are green, but they turn yellow in the fall. A sky of blue can turn to gray as quick as 1, 2, 3. And those are some of the colors I see. But wait, I'm not finished yet. Colors, oh colors, well if I had my way, I'd fly up to the sun and paint it blue just for a day. I'd give the moon in polka dots as pretty as can be. Those would be some kind of colors to see. Those would be some kind of colors to me.
Interesting, guys. Well, that's all I can show you because the rest is copyright blocked. I'm very sorry about that, but man, this does bring me back memories. Like at least like around 15 years ago since I watched this. Oh, and also like 6 years ago, also when I also did Shower Entertainment with this. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video. Until then, have a very nice day. Bye-bye. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have liked this video, you can subscribe by clicking on my icon. To watch the previous video, click on the video on the left, and the next video, the video on the right. Follow us on AppleDude1221 on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Have a very nice day. Bye-bye.